Hello friends, I Yadvi Singh welcomes you all for the next video on emerging technologies. We are here to discuss you about the recent emerging technologies that are approved by AICTE. Almost 9 technologies are approved by AICTE, and if you are talking about the technologies that are there are 9, but I am discussing about the 3 technologies in this video, and then about the next video I will talk about the subsequent topics that are there with reference to the emerging technologies. Okay, so the technologies are artificial intelligence, internet of things, and the blockchain. Okay, if you talk about artificial intelligence, means you are making the machine self intelligent so that it is able to make the decision by itself. Okay, so the second point that it will do is it can mimic the human behavior. Okay, and if you talk about a human behavior, then you can say that you are having a learning type of approach and a problem solving approach that can be associated with the reference to the machine, which can simulate by which can be done by human, can be done by machine too. Okay, so you can say that this artificial intelligence will play a bigger role with the reference to this part. Okay, and the next thing that is there is artificial intelligence includes the learning, reasoning, and perception part. Okay, because this characteristic is there with a human. Okay, while this characteristic is not included in the machine part. Okay, so the next thing that you can say that artificial intelligence will have a application with reference to the finance, healthcare, education, and the any sector that wherever it can be applied. Okay, and if you talk about artificial intelligence, it can be categorized into two basic categories: weak AI and a strong AI. Why I am talking about this? Because I am taking the real example of it. Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri tends to be the simple and a simple task oriented, single task oriented, while the strong AI refers to be more complex, and they are considered to be a self driving cars or the robots that that are used during the operations in the hospitals. Okay, and if you talk about AI in combination with the machine learning and deep learning, you can say that AI is the future. Okay, and these technologies are directly or indirectly predict everything right now. Therefore you cannot neglect the role of AI. Okay, so this is the first part that I need to discuss. Then the second thing that is there is IoT. IoT means Internet of Things, means things that talk to other things in an intelligent manner. So if you're talking about how can this be possible, because we are connected with a connected world and we are connected with the connected devices. Okay, so this network is too big because we are in this connected world, so we are able to transfer the information from one user to another user with the help of any connected devices. Okay, and this internet of things in combinations with certain other technologies also provides the future. Why? When you apply this internet of things with a reference to the you can say a smartwatch, you can apply it with the reference to the self driving cars, you can apply it with a reference to cook your food at the right amount of a time. Okay, you can apply it is you can say that switching off your light of your room. Okay, so in this way you can say that internet of things plays a bigger role. Okay, so internet of things with the reference to other aspect will give you a bigger advantage, and the certain advantage is written over there. Okay, they can be improving the customer experience, it can be used with the reference to the time and money, it can be used with the reference to the productivity aspect, it can improve the business models, it can improve the decision part, it can increase the revenue purpose. Okay, and it is a lifeline to the nature too. Okay, the recent example that I have told you is one drop one crop. Okay, so you can consider in this way we can save our environment too. Okay, so the last technology that is blockchain, and it is the future, you can say. Okay, blockchain is basically making your system secure, and for making your system secure, then you can say that with the help of which you are it is impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. Okay, and for this you have to use the distributed ledger technology. Okay, distributed ledger technology will allow you to perform this operations, and all the things that are done with the reference to the blockchain are basically a transaction, nothing else, a single transaction only. Okay, and then if you're talking about this distributed ledger technology, then you consider it is immutable cryptographic signature. Means cryptographic means secret, and graphy means writing. So you can say that we use the fundamental of a cryptography during this blockchain to make your system secure. Okay, which is termed to be as a hash. And if you're talking about the blockchain applications, this can be used in education, security, land registration purpose, medical, supply chain management. So these are the certain points that are there. So I will recapitulate that I have covered. I have covered about the artificial intelligence, I have covered you about the IoT, I have covered you about the blockchain. These are the only starting point or the introductory part. And if you are talking about the next videos, I will cover in details about these recent technologies. And for the audience for which it is applicable is all the students from the class 8 to class 12, or for all the first year graduate students and all others interested to learn and explore with Yadvi Singh. So this is thanks from my side. If you are having any sort of queries, you can post it onto the chat box. Thank you.